Hello students, in this video I will tell you the shortcut for fertilizer industry. The first shortcut is Amma Priya prepared French fries using knife. Then the second one is coffee nee poi podu in Tamil, and in English you can remember coffee needs pani and pot. Pani means water, okay. Then pot not, that is the third shortcut. Then the fourth one is A. Giri went to Expo, and the fifth one is Kerala rat went up for taking bun. Kerala rat went up for taking bun. Let's see the first one, that is Amma Priya, that is ammonium phosphide. Then prepared French fries, that is phosphatic fertilizer. Then using knife, here K is silent, so NIFE, that is nitrogenous fertilizer. Then next one is there are some complex fertilizers that contains nitrogen, phosphate and potash. Nitrogen, phosphate and potash, okay. So that one you can relate it with coffee needs pani and pot, okay. Then the third point, that is third one, last one is potash, right? So third potash, the potash is not available, so we used to get it from other countries, okay. Then the last shortcut is fourth shortcut is A. Giri went to Expo, that is after Green Revolution the fertilizer industry expanded, okay. Then this industry is located in Kerala, Gujarat, that is rat I have given, right? So Gujarat. Then went up UP, that is Uttar Pradesh. Then taking, here T means Tamil Nadu. Then bun sounds like pun, right? So Punjab, okay. So these are the shortcuts for this fertilizer industries. If you remember these 5 shortcuts, means you can write all the points. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.